Guys, let me start by saying this. TRT can absolutely improve your life, but only if you're doing it right. And I unfortunately learned that the hard way. For 2 years, I was using TRT completely wrong, and it left me with wasted money and a lot of frustration. But before I get into that more, if at any point while watching you decide to look into TRT more, there's a link in the description below to get your own TRT plan at the best price available anywhere. Alright, so when I first started, I thought it was all about getting a prescription and then injecting some testosterone. I didn't realize there were other options, like using topical cream, which would have been so much easier for me. The whole process of injecting myself felt pretty intimidating too, especially when I didn't fully understand what I was doing. I didn't take the time to find the right provider or understand the process fully. I wasn't consistent with monitoring my hormone levels, testosterone, estrogen, and other key markers that need to stay in balance. Because of this, I experienced mood swings, acne, and some days where I felt worse instead of better. Another mistake I made was thinking TRT was a magic fix. I didn't focus on eating clean, hitting the gym regularly, or getting enough sleep. The truth is, TRT works best when it's part of a healthy lifestyle. It's not a quick shortcut to results. It's just a tool to help you get there. So eventually, I switched to Fountain TRT. It's a telehealth service that specializes in testosterone replacement therapy, and their approach is different from many other providers. It included a personalized plan that was designed around my specific needs. Their team helped me through every step from my initial consultation to routine follow-ups to keep my levels in check. And I gotta say, since I switched, I've gotten much more better results. My energy levels are higher than I've been in years, my mood is stable, and my workouts actually starting to pay off. If you're thinking about TRT, here's my advice. Don't rush into it. Do your research, work with a team that knows what they're doing, and don't neglect any other aspects of your health. Fountain TRT has been the right choice for me personally, and I definitely recommend checking them out. So if you're interested in Fountain TRT, click the link in the description below to get your own TRT plan at the best price available. Thanks for watching. Bye.